Hello everyone, so good evening. I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine. So, today also I'm gonna share with you one story like the comic. I will make it a story and then tell you. So, the name of the story is The Crow, the Deer, and the Jack. So, there are these three characters, and there is a story about them. Long ago, three lived: a deer and a crow. Long ago, there lived a deer and a crow. They were good friends and loved each other dearly. So the deer and the crow lived together and they loved each other and lived nicely. One day, a jackal saw the deer. So one day what happened? A jackal saw the deer and he thought that what a delicious meal he would make. So he thought that the deer will be a very delicious meal for him. So he was making a plan that how to trap the deer in his plan. He went up to the deer. So he had gone to meet the deer. "Good day, my friend. Who are you?" So the jackal said to the deer, "Good day, my friend." And the deer said that, "Who are you?" As he didn't know who was he. After that, the jackal said, "I'm a lonely jackal. I have no friends, but now that I have met you, I have one. Will you be my friend?" So he was emotionally blackmailing the deer. He means jackal said to him that he was very lonely. He was not having any friends, and he said to the deer, asked that, "Will you be my friend?" The deer was moved by his words. "Poor jackal, of course I'll be your friend. Come, let me take you to my friend Crow." And as the jackal had planned, the deer was trapped in his plan. He was emotionally blackmailed by the jackal, and he thought that how poor he is. How poor is the jackal. I should be his friend. He thought that. Then the deer take the jackal to meet his friend Crow. When the crow saw the two together, he was surprised. "Who is this? My friend Jackal. He is lonely and seeks our friendship." So when the crow saw the jackal and the deer together, he was surprised at why he is with him. So the crow said that, "Who is he?" So the deer said that, "He is my friend Jackal. He is very lonely and he needs our friendship." Then the crow said, "Don't you know that you must think twice before making little strangers your friend?" Then the deer said, "No, but why?" So the crow said to the deer that you must think twice before making a stranger your friend. Don't you think of? So the deer said, "No, but why?" The crow told him the story of the vulture, the cat, and the birds at the end of it. And that is why one should always be wary of strangers. So in the story of the vulture, the cat, and the birds, actually the stranger, that was the cat, was the main culprit. And he was a stranger. So the crow said him that this is why you should be aware of the strangers and don't trust anyone very quickly. But the jackal was not to be talked out of his dinner by such advice. "Sir Crow, you seem to forget that on the first day he met you, you too were a stranger to him, and yet your friendship only grows stronger each day." After that, the jackal said that, "He is my friend. Why don't you also be my friend?" The jackal said that deer is my friend, so you should also be my friend. The deer did not like scenes. Come, friend crow, let us all live together in amity and joy. All right, do as you wish. So the deer said to the crow, and the crow then said that okay, now we will live together. So they all start living together. And on each day they moved for the search of food in different directions. After that, they also reached late at night. Okay. One morning, a few days later, when the crow had left, so the friend deer, in one corner of this forest, there is a field full of sweet grain. Let me show it to you. Come. So the jackal said to the deer that there is a field full of sweet grain. Let me show it to you. After that, the innocent deer accompanied him and grazed in the field. This grain is indeed very sweet. I shall come here every day and